Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you on how to manage your setting in Alpha Igniter dynamic filter. So simply go to Igniter agent bot in Telegram after you have subscribed, obviously, to get this full feature of the bot, right? And then move your mouse to menu and then click filter, or you can also type it. So after you click, the bot will give you an overall picture of your dynamic filter setting. So this dynamic filter function as a extraction parameter from our key follower database, right? So all this parameter in here is not necessarily the best filter, but it's used only for illustration purpose. Everybody has their own preference, but we will deep dive further on this. Okay, so let's go for the first filter. You can copy this, set minimum key followers. So whenever a project is followed by a certain number of key followers, then the bot will identify it and forward the signal to your personalized bot. All right, let's say 50 is a bit too high. I would like to decrease it. Let's go for 10. All right, after you press enter, then there is a confirmation from the bot that the filter is in place. Okay. All right. So after that, we move to the second filter, which is to set maximum key followers. Let's say I would like to give it 25. So the maximum number of key followers is 25. Above this threshold, the bot won't give you ping for the project as well. This is useful, particularly to prevent repetitive spam for the same project that you have identified when the key follower is 10, right? All right, so we move to the third filter, which is to set minimum followers value. So followers mean simply is not key account in our database. So it's considered as a normies or a retail buyer, right? So this one, I would love to have this as higher value. Let's say 50. All right. So confirming maximum follower. Again, this is non-key account, 400. And then you move to the fifth filter, which is to set key follower increase by certain value. So this is particularly useful to determine how frequent you want the bot to give you notification whenever there is an increase by a certain number of key followers. Let's say in this case, I want to give 3. So for every increase of the following of a project by 3 key followers, it will give you a ping from that particular same project that you found in from this first filter, right? And after that, we move to set key follow maximum set follower increase, right? So this is the same as the previous one, but this is non-key followers, right? Let's say you want to know the social sentiment from the normies, so you can get this as well to arrange how frequent is the notification from the bot, right? All right. So after that, you can type filter, and then you get the overall setting of your bot in place. Let's say in this case, I'm not really interested of the normal follower increase, right? I can also disable it by setting this to -1, and voila. So your setting has been changed again, right? All right, so this again is not particularly a good or a bad pattern, right? It's really depend on someone else's preference. For someone that is busy I think it's good for you to have a higher threshold, so it gives you a more solid signal, solid project signal, and less spam, right? Less quantity of the ping. But let's say, for example, you want to have more notification. You are a full trade time trader and you want to be in a project very early. You can change this setting as well. All right. Let's say this minimum key value to 3. You change this to 3 and then you set maximum key followers to 10. See, you see, as soon as I decrease the threshold, project is popping in, right? Which is key followers 6. All right, we have not finished this setting, so let's say minimum followers we decrease further, let's say 3, and then maximum follower, I max follower, let's say 100, right? And then I want to set how often does the ping uh, from the bot giving me, right? Set key follower increase, let's say 2. Yeah, this set follower increase, I don't think I want to do it. So after this, you just type filter. All right, 3. This is the overall setting of the dynamic filter. 3 key counts, at most 10 key counts, at least 3 follower, at most standard, and an increase of 2 key count followers. I think this setting is good if you want to identify a project very early, and this filter also good for you to have a clean notification. All right, because you particularly want to be early, and after it has already launched, then you don't want to get any more notification, right? Yeah, I think it's really entirely up to you, but you can also tweak this filter according to your preference and experiment a bit in how does it work. Thank you.